Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your PS Plus subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your Chrome browser, go to search bar, type in PlayStation, go to this official website of it first. So once you're here in this PlayStation section, first you're gonna go ahead, tap on the sign in option and get signed in. And once you have signed in to your account, what you're gonna do afterward, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this settings icon right after you have signed in. Once you have tapped on your settings icon, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this account management option. Once you're in that, you're gonna go ahead, scroll down, go to this option called account information, and tap on this PlayStation subscription that will be just given right there. So for the all of the subscription that you have taken will be just there. You're gonna go ahead, select the particular one that you would like to remove or cancel. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this cancel button. Once you've accessed that, tapped on it, you will be able to cancel subscription, and that is the way it is. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.